Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, like, and also share around all social media platforms. Okay, now thank you guys once more. So today course we're just going straight to Photoshop. I'll be explaining the tools we're going to be using while uh, creating the 2D and 3D business logo. So please, your Photoshop has to be from the latest version, 2020 and above, please. So you can also use most of the features. That's good. So now, let me just go straight to create a new file. So you click on File, click on New, or you can just click on Control N if you like using shortcut most times. So just go to File, click on New. Now you name your file. Let me just name the file. Charlie. Okay. So our document type. So I would love to leave it in custom or default photos shop size. Let me just leave it that way. Then if you want to change your weight, you can come here and put it on pixel. Put it on pixel so you'll be able to understand it. But why I just like to leave the custom file because it also uh, moves. Now why I like to leave the custom file based on example. But if you want to run an ad on Facebook, please come down here to your width, change it to 1080, and come down to the height, do the same thing, 1080. If you want to run ads on Facebook, so I'll just leave it that way. So basically, leave your settings like this. Your color mode should be RGB color or CMYK color. Then leave the bit like this. Just leave it the way you've seen it. Just click on OK. Okay. Now this is the first step. We've done the first step already. Now the second step will be, what tools are we going to be using for creating a 2D business logo and 3D business logo? So the first thing we have to do, we have to create a new layer. Now to create a new layer, you come down here, click on this plus sign. You've created a new layer. So how do we see this new layer? So you just click on this icon that has an eye symbol. You just turn it off, meaning you turn off the visibility of that background so we can't see it anymore, meaning now you just have the layer left. Now this is good. Now these tools, as you can see, they has this arrow signs, is a move tool. Move tool is used for moving objects. It's used for moving different kind of objects. Any object used for moving and adjusting. Okay. So let me just go straight to text. You right click, loading. Now we're using the horizontal type tool. Okay. Now you click here. Let me just type anything like let me say market. Now, if I want to change the font of this, I will simply just come here, highlight it, and click here. Okay, let me just, now you can put any font you desire, any font you desire. Doesn't matter I use this font, you have to use it. No, please use your desired font that will best suit your designs. Okay, let me just use Mirror Pro. Now let me come down here regular. I want to make it bold. I want to make it bold italic. You guys say it. Now I want to reduce the text font. I can come here and look at it small, and just play around with the tools. Okay. I want to leave it on smooth. I can leave it on sharp, smooth. It just be smooth or strong, and just keep it strong. I can also change the color of the text. Simply just come here, put blue. You get it. Let me keep it on blue and press OK. Then you click on this good sign. So that's good. Now we'll go back to our move tool. Now I want to move this. Now if you want to move this, you notice I can't move it just now. I have to go back to that layer and click on it. Now come back now and sorry and move. You guys say it. Now this is our move tool. If you want to change an object or make an edit to a different object or write up, just go to that layer, click on it before you can have access to it. I can also make this bigger. Have you seen it? Now it's good. Okay, now let me come down here and click on canvas to centralize it. You see I can change it, I can change it. You just play around with the tool. So that's good. So what next are we using for the 2D and 3D business logo design? We're using lasso, our lasso tool. Very important. Now lasso tool is a selection tool. Let me select this. Sorry, this is rectangular. Sorry, let me Ctrl Z back and okay. Okay, sorry, lasso. This is our lasso tool. It's used for selecting. Let me just select this M. You see, now I can. Sorry, now I can. I've selected it. Let me just select it, something like this. This is to select 10, okay? Now you can select any tools. You want to use it for any kind of design, but as times go by, I will show you what we're using it for. Okay, I just want to show you this for selecting. Why the magic one? So let me come back here. The magic one is used for uh, highlighting all the backgrounds, changing the backgrounds. We'll come to that also. All right. Let me come down straight to our rectangular tool. We're using the rounded rectangle tool. Okay. Let me just come. You want to do this, you just draw from any angle. See it. Now I want to change the fill. I don't want fill. I'll click here. I want fill. I can put different color. And you guys say it's wow. I can also come here. I don't want this. Now I'll come to the stroke side. And okay, I want this. I want the body too tiny. Let me increase this stroke. I can come here and do this. Do you see it? So whatever your choice is, that's what you do. I'll come back to my move to and just move. Sorry. Okay, I'll come back to my move to. Let me go back to here and change this. Nice. So whenever you're done using a particular tool, please go back to your move to so you won't change your design. Now, what I said about this, since I can move it here, I will just go back to that tool and click on it and move it. Okay. Have you guys seen it? Just double click on it to move it. So basically, these are the tools we're going to use. These are the tools we're going to use. Okay. So I don't want to talk more on it because we won't be using most of the tools you've seen in so many designs. So this is not your typical type of Photoshop design. Okay. Now I want to teach you guys how to download a logo. So I'll use an example. I want to teach you guys to download the logo and how to do it. So let me head straight to my browser. Let me I'm looking for logo from beddings and lingeries. Yeah. Okay, lingeries and the beddings. Okay, that's nice. I'm looking for logo. And I just want you guys to understand something. Logo shouldn't just be about your name or how the name will be designed. You might just put any symbol. That symbol might be an item that we make people understand the exact words you're trying to say. Like it should, you see, the item should be related to your name. Shouldn't just be your name, your design. You get it. It might just be a single item. Then your name, people understand. Okay, this indicates or this is related to this organization. So you can just come here and go to images. Let me just pick image, any image that has quality, any image that has quality. And come in and be anything. I want to try something. Let me try um S, letter S. Okay, S logo. I'm looking for a nice S I can use. Let me use this. So if you want to download an image on Google, make sure it's clear. Make sure you download high quality JPEG file, please. So because you're converting the JPEG file to PNG, it would be nice if your JPEG file is blur. It would be nice. Okay, come in. Let me just see. I like this. I like this. I like this. So let me just save this one. Let me save this. Now, let me also come here and um, search for Beddings. I just want to try something. Beddings logo. Sorry. Beddings logo. I like this. I like this. I like something like this. Let me take this. Let me click on it. Let me download this. Just want to show you guys how you can also build your logo from scratch. Just want to put the ideas together. Now let me just search on injuries. I just want to correlate and make the items be related to the name of the business. Okay, so there are so many lingeries here. Let me just pick something. I like something like this. I need a clear quality here. This is good. So I'll just save image as. All right. This download. Let me just go straight to my Photoshop. Now, what we have to do now to add those designs. Let me just close here. Hope you guys understand what I did. Let me just close here. Close the visibility. Nice. Let me go back to our file. Minimize this. Now to upload, you just go your file. You won't click here, but just open your file in a separate file like this, the way I did it, and we go straight to download. Right. Let me start with the S. You just drag and what drop loading. Nice. So if you observe, then you click on this icon here. Good. If you observe, this is a smart image. How do you know it's a smart image? Click on your magic wand and click on back. Could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. So you click OK. Now you come down here when you have the smart object. Here you right click, you click on rasterize, and you come back and cancel. Have you guys seen it? Good. Now you go to your magic wand and click on it. So it's good. If you notice, we have some things we don't need. Now you just come to your lasso, select tools, your lasso. Now you click here and come to my lasso. Okay. Don't need this. You exit, reset. That's some lasso. We don't need this one. I don't need it. You just highlight it like this. You cancel. You get it. Nice. Now if you notice there are some symbols here. All what you just have to clean it. Let me just go back to my magic wand and let me see if I can do any magic here. Exit. Okay. Alright, let me just leave it that way. It also look like a design. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's good thinking. Alright. So we've gotten our X. So how do we make this short? Come to your move tool and move to then click on the layer here and remove it. Remove it. Now I'll just keep this S somewhere here. Because somewhere here. Okay. Somewhere here. I'll click on okay. Then the next one is which one should I use? I'll use the beddings. Yeah, this would be nice. Let me put this one first. Click here and click here. Now just go to my magic wand and come back here and rasterize layer. Click on back. Good. For now, I don't need this S to show, so I'll just unseen it for now. Close the visibility and go to my magic wand and click here. Okay. Now come back to my lasso. Click the attachment. We have this and I draw. I could be able to delete. I don't need this. I'll just go back and click cancel. You get it. It's easy, but that's good. Now come back and open the visibility of the S. Let me try something. If it look nice. Now we'll just come here. You guys saying it? You guys saying it? Now let me go back to the link drain. This will be nice. Let me see the template logo. Okay, let me go back and download. Uh, let me see. Let me change the download settings. It has a different kind of file. Save as all files. No, it won't display. It's a web file. It won't display. Let me go for a different one again. Let me see. I like something like that. Let me click on this. This has so many watermarks. Doing something that would be nice. Okay. Let me click on this. Let me save the image. We're just putting things together to bring out the beauty of our design. So most times you don't really have the right designs to make. Just add things up together and you surely get it. So just come here to my file and um, go back to where I have it and come here and drag and drop. So let me go back to my magic wand and highlight all areas. I come back here and rasterize layers, and that's good. So this is exactly what I want. What I want. So I'll go to my move tool, click on that area and drag. So what do you think I'm doing? Actually doing now? We're getting something. Yeah, this is good. Now the business is. Let me go to the business is Shirley's lingeries and beddings. Now we've given it the logo that best describes Shirley's. So let me put up a right thing. Meaning I won't be writing the lingeries, just the beddings. You get it? So I just want to put something out there. So let me still drag here down. Let's drag it down and let me go back to my attachment and check this out. I mean, let me see. This one needs to be perfect. Okay, the placing is what that matters now. Placing is what matters now. Let me see. Okay, let me just go to my text and click on horizontal type tool. Then if I copied it, yeah, I'll just paste what I copied. Now come to my layer and go to my move tool. Move down here, show it. So I'll just leave it that for now. For now, I want to do something more. Just want to see what it gives. Let me edit it back and also move it out. I want to move this out. The bedding is kind of distracting the flow. I don't want it to be too scattered. Just want something the same line. Let me see. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'll go back and click it so I can move it. Okay. Come in. I like it here. I like it here. I want it to be a distraction. So Shelly's lingering. Now the bedding. Let me just try something. I want them to be a distraction. Let me go back to my Google. Let me type beddings. I just want something that won't look like a distraction. So it won't work. It's, this one will work. This will work. Most of those files are web file. It has link. That's why it's not working in our Photoshop. Hope you guys understand. Now this will work definitely. Good. So you do the same thing we did from yeah. You come here, you rasterize the layer, you cancel. This is good. This is good. This is good. Now we just come here and highlight. So we go to our lasso to select what we don't need. We don't need this, so just exit. This is good. Now go back to your move tool and come and click here, and so I can be able to move this. I want to move this. So where do you think would be the best place to put this? Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's see. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, let's see. You get it. Now this is good. So I'll just take here and put this under here. Okay. This one. Then for the bedding, let me just come here. I'm not doing any other write up apart from this again. You guys said, okay, this is good. Let me just do for the beddings. Just want you guys to understand more of what we're doing. So I'll just do the necessary and move. I can want to move the object. So I don't need the E. I'll take that out. I need the E. I'll take that out. So I need to change the color to gold. Let me click here. Let me pick on this color. That's nice. Okay. Now I want this to not be blue. Okay, that's nice. Very nice. Alright. Let me just leave the logo like this. Let me leave it like this. So hope you guys understand what we just did. Now I want to save the logo. I want to put them in one layer, one group. So I'll just come down here and control and copy them. Okay, okay. Now Shift Control Alt E. So I've merged them, as you can see. Sorry, let me head back there and do it again. Let me off this one so it can move properly. Now, are you guys seeing it? Like, can you see it's moving? Now this is good. Now this is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, so I just want to save this separately so I can use it for the next video. Click on file. I want to save. Click on file. Click on save as. Save on your computer. Now I'm saving it as Photoshop PSD because I want to use it again. If I don't want to use it, I'll just save it as PNG. But for now, I want to use it, so let me just save it here. Okay, let me just save it here. Click on OK. So it has saved. That's good. Now let me go back to our browser. Let me search on. Let's download PNG file. We'll be needing. Let me go back to the client details. Okay, it has just WhatsApp, Facebook, and location. You get it, WhatsApp, Facebook, and location. So let me go back to browser. Let me search for social icon. social icon PNG. You get it. So there are so many PNG out there. Okay, let me just go to a particular website. Let's see. We're looking for WhatsApp. So this has WhatsApp. There's Facebook. Okay, that's Facebook. What about this? Let me just download this one first. Then I'll find the rest. Let me just download this. Okay. And let me go for location. Location icon PNG. I need something like this. I'll change the color later, but I need something like this. Okay. We save this. So you guys are seeing how we're downloading our paint you need for our 2D and 3D logo. So what else do we need? Okay, so that's all for this. Okay, that's all. Now I want to show you guys how to download a mock-up background. So just go down, just type on Google, search for graphics family, mock-up graphics family. You can see there are so many mocks up here. Just pick your choice. Most are free. All this one you see, $0.00 are free mockups. You can just experiment with this. Just practice with all this. Practice with all this. They are very good. Okay. But we have a mockup we are going to use, and I'm going to be giving you guys 500 mockups and close to 5,000 PNGs. Okay, for you to use for your business to send to clients. So this is good. All right. Let me head straight back to our shop. So I think this will be all. So thanks guys. Thank you all for watching, for getting the patience to watch this video from the start to the finish. Please, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do so now so you can get latest updates. Okay, latest updates. Thank you all for watching. See you guys next video.